my channel, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress, and I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. And today, you guys, we are back with another Toyotress crochet hair video. Yes, you guys, I could not wait to jump back into my Toyotress crochet hair. It is hot. It is hot in every state that I done been on the East Coast, and your girl had a ponytail, and a few weeks ago in the humidity and the heat just slid it right off my head. So I came back and put my crochet hair back on my head because I know this ain't gonna come out. I know this ain't gonna come out, you guys, and I am loving the look. It is effortless, it is weightless, it is light, it is boho, and I got some color up in here, you guys. And if you want to see how I install this hair, I'm sure if you've seen my other Toyotress videos, it's kind of the same concept, but I just want to show you guys how I install this crochet hair. If you want to see that, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to this channel, you guys, and I will see you guys in the video. Okay, so we received the 20-inch Tiana Passion pre-twist crochet hair in 1B, 30, and 27, and the full pack includes 8 individual packs that includes 12 strands of handmade twists, and of course the hair comes with a crochet hook, which is super convenient, so that way you do not have to go to the beauty supply store. So when I first opened up the pack, I love how long and fluffy the hair was. It was super bouncy and full, and I am loving the color. And this braid pattern is super easy. I have individual braids going into a cornrow, and then it's all cornrowed together and pinned up in the back, just so we can have the illusion that it was individually crocheted or individually done. So first, starting off in the front of my head, I'm always going to use a beater, just because the front, you know, that's where we got some thin hair. Well, at least that's where I got the thin hair, and I felt like the crochet hook would be too harsh in the front, so we're just sliding it through with the beater, and then I use the crochet hook to bring the hair through the loop. And you guys, my routine didn't switch up at all. This is my third crochet video, so if you want a more in-depth tutorial of how to do the crochet hair, please reference my other crochet videos that I have, but pretty much it's going to be the same old routine. We are sliding the beater through the individual square that you see here, and we are pulling the twist through, and we want to make it look like we got these individually done. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch here. Y'all, it was so hard to do this with nails. I made it difficult myself. I done slipped the hair right through from the braid and had to struggle again getting it through.
And y'all, I ain't even gonna lie, like after I done recorded a couple of scenes here, I be going right into the bed, watching me some TV or some movies and installing the rest of the hair, and then I'll come back and update you guys. But pretty much this is when I switch over to the crochet needle, now that I'm working towards the back of my head, and it's just easier to go through with a crochet hook for the rest of my head instead of the beater, because the beater just, it's the struggle. It's too flexible, it's too this, it's too that. So yeah. So now that I got the front of my head all secured, I'm gonna go in with the Gots to Be. I finally found a recipe to keep my edges slick, I would say for at least a good day. And that's going in with the Gots to Be, then blow drying my baby hairs back, and then tying it down. And y'all, that will last me about a good day or two if I don't work out, but that's the best way that I found that will keep my baby hair laid. So I'm just using a mirror here and trying to make sure I fill in all the noticeable gaps. Like I explained in my other 2 crochet videos, you don't want to stick all the crochet hair in one spot. You want to make sure you're spreading them out enough so that way you won't have noticeable gaps, and I use both of my mirrors to do this. And girl, when you feel as though your hair is all filled into your liking, go ahead and move your hair around into different styles that you might wear the most. Again, just to make sure that there's no noticeable cornrows, and of course that it looks as seamless and salon done as possible. Now, Toyotress did include some hair jewels just to jazz up your hairstyle a little bit, add a little razzle dazzle to your hairstyle. So I'm just including that with this hairstyle. And I did go back and I found some other hair jewels that they sent, and I went ahead and I added that as well. Yes, this hairstyle came out bomb, and we look like we just came fresh from the salon, y'all. This hairstyle took about all of 2 hours, even though I did take some breaks in between, but that's besides the point. And I have about 3 strands of crochet hair left, so I did use more than I typically do, but the fact that I have more left over is bomb.
So I hope you guys saw how I installed my crochet hair. It was quick and easy, right? I mean, we've been doing this, you know, all summer pretty much, and this is just the easiest way for me to install my crochet hair. And of course, y'all know I had to go to my girl to get my hair braided because your girl was a little lazy, and of course I'd be having my nails done. But Out of all the crochet hair, you guys, I would say this is the easiest to install. The hair is very fluffy, it's very bouncy, and I love the ombre color. This color is perfect for your fall look, your spring look, your summer look. You guys, you can get away with this color throughout the entire year. This is the OT30 and it's the Tiana Passion Twist hair, and it just says here that the hair was 100% handmade and every braid was made by a professional. So the fact that each individual passion twist was handmade really shows you that Toyotress really put some time and effort into their product, and I've been loving them ever since. Again, thank you so much, Toyotress, for sending me this hair, and I hope you guys like it. Again, it's very versatile, it's very fun, and it's very bouncy, and it's perfect for the spring and the summer, you guys. And I just got it up here in this messy bun because I figured, you know, this style will look cute with a little, you know, just mess. And of course, you guys, like you guys see me with all my crochet hair, you can wear it in any style that you want to, and that's what I absolutely love about crochet hair. Also, again, Toyotress shipping is super duper fast. The customer service is A1. Thank you, Toyotress, for always responding to my emails anytime I have a question or anytime I have a concern. And again, you guys, don't forget to join the kingdom. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel because we are coming with the beauty. We are coming with the fun. We are coming with the spice, you guys. And I'm so happy that you guys are loving these videos. If you want to see more, go to my Instagram, which is linked below. All the information will be in the description bar, and don't forget to use Glam Empress 20 to receive 20% off of your crochet hair. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.